guys, so today I'm going to be unboxing this really cute Hello Kitty candy vending machine. So this is how it looks like. It says Hello Kitty candy vending machine at both sides. It is semi-licensed. Here is the knob or the lever, and here is the price hole. So you have to turn the lever 360 degrees, and if you guys can see, it says net weight 15 grams. So the candies are 15 grams. So yeah, here's the tag. So this candy is best before 15 November 2018. So they are two different patterns. I got the purple one, and there is one more pink one. So you have to collect them all. So here's the assembly license. So I have my scissors with me, so let's just cut this out. You can hack this machine if you keep to shake it. No candy drops. So you have to turn this 360 degrees, this lever. So you have two of your candies right here. I'm not using my candy because I want to eat it, and I don't have any place to store it, and I don't want to put in this machine because it might make my machine dirty. So I'm gonna demo it with these beads. So I got two. So yeah, just keep spinning it, and you got more and more and more. So each time you got two candies, so two candies. So yeah. So this is how it works when your lever is straight. Turn it, and there's a hole, and your candy falls down. You keep spinning, and the candy falls down to the hole. So here's your price. So this is how it works. I'm using my flashlight, so I hope you guys don't mind because it's really dark here. And if you guys can see, here is your jewel, and your lever is straight. Turn it 360 degrees. There is a hole. Your candy falls down, and your candy was at the bottom. And you can see it's at the bottom. Sometimes it doesn't work, so just keep spinning until there's no more candy. And here's your candy. There you have it. Super easy to get. So this is how it works. This is how it looks like out of packaging. You can take your Hello Kitty out to collect it. Just turn this and take this out. So yeah. If you want to pop this back, just turn it again like this to secure it. And here are the candies. There are three different colors: white, pink, and green. So here's the lever and everything. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. So give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Oh my god. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!